I hear an airplane. Do you hear it? It is, what is today? I don't know. Today's the 29th, but yesterday, 28th of January 2014, we had a little snow. And this is kind of icy. This is icy. And we didn't get to go out yesterday because it just took too long for it to come down, so we decided to come out today. So here's Andrew. And he's having fun. Hi! And there's kind of our backyard. There's the house. And there's Andrew looking all cute. Shelby is inside. She is asleep. So we did not bring her out. I might take her just for a picture. I don't want to bring her out too long. It's very pretty. Andrew, don't go too far, baby. Come here. You're in the road. And actually, let's see how the road is. Yes. You gonna check the mail? Yes, this is just ice. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but you can just see it's just ice. And that's what happens in the wonderful South for you northern people. Yeah, there's a bird. Yeah. Andrew, you want to say hi? Hi. Hi. You say hey, Daddy?
Hey, Daddy.
Okay. All right. Well, there it is. First snow of 2014.
Where's school bus?
No school bus today, baby. School is out. You have left me? Where is this kid going? I'm gonna throw a snowball at him. He's not even gonna know it comes. Watch this. Let's see. Let's see that. Let's see if it'll hit him. I don't know. You hear birds? Watch this. He likes the birds. Oh, I'm sorry, Andrew. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh no, he's so mad at me. Oh, I made him mad. You can throw one at Mommy. You want to throw a snowball at Mommy? I got it in his eye. Sorry. You gonna throw one at Mommy? Oh, he's mad. Oh, yep. I got it. He got me. He got me. Uh-oh. Oh, here is Shelby's first snow. Yes, girl. She's so cute. You like it, Shelby? It's really cold, isn't it, baby girl? Yeah. Hi, Andrew. Get in that house. It's cold, honey. I'm coming. So we just needed to get one little picture and video. Oh, yeah, baby.